Our text tile can be used standalone within the builder to create text elements. And if you're coming from Figma, our Figma plugin can match your formatting and bring in text to the tile platform as an editable text element if you'd like. To add text onto your page, simply drag the text tile onto the canvas and double-click into the text box to start typing. All of your formatting from fonts to colors to weights will be in the right-hand side on the Properties panel. By default, we use Google Fonts, which covers 1,000 or so fonts to pick from. However, account admins can also import any custom fonts to your account in Account Settings under Font Management to make them available here within the builder. Especially important if you're coming over from Figma with a custom font to make sure that we can support it within Tiled as well. By scrolling down in the Properties panel, you can also add a background to the text box with a few formatting options, which is a great way to design a button directly within Tiled, as well as enabling hover effects if you wanted to animate the text or simply change colors upon hover. Similarly to image tiles for the text tile, if you do set up a hover effect, adding a hotspot over the top of it will block that effect from even happening, which is why we've built in the click event, which essentially is like a built-in hotspot that says, here's my text, and here's the page in which I want it to direct to when clicked. If you're creating a micro app that will be personalized by your counterparts, and you want to have dynamic text elements within it, just like we did before, drag our text box onto the canvas and toggle in the Properties panel from static to personalizable. This will prompt you to create a dynamic field for the personalizable text. In this case, we're going to have the date be customizable. And you can determine if it's required or not that the value be changed. We'll go back and do our formatting. And then once you publish your project, all of your personalizable fields will show up in this viewer, which is a bit different for your counterparts who will create a different version or what we call an instance. And once they've given it a name, when they go into personalization mode, they can edit it inline on the page or by going through this form if you have multiple fields. But it'll give them an easy drag and drop way to update the template that you've created, as opposed to getting them access under the hood to make changes. We hope this was a helpful introduction to our text tile, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@tiled.co.